In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the complete setup of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130E series printer. This is a new printer. We are going to install the ink cartridges and we'll do the wireless setup. We'll do the complete setup of the printer. To start the process, first we have to plug in the power cable and switch on the printer. So press the power button. On the control panel, first we have to select our language, confirm it, select the country of residence. Next step is to load the paper and install the ink cartridges. To load the paper, slide the paper tray out, load A4 size paper. You can also use the letter size. Once you load the paper, it will display on the printer display panel. Press OK. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges. Open the front door, so push it out and lift this up. The ink chamber will move and come into the middle. Now take your ink cartridges, remove the plastic packaging and remove this cap, twist it to one side and just repeat it for all the 4 ink cartridges. So all have a cap. That's the place we have to install these ink cartridges. So let's start with the color. So that is magenta is the first. Place the back side in and then press from here. Easy to install. Once it is installed, close the chamber. So push it down, it will close itself, and then lock the front side. Go to the control panel. So ink cartridges are installed properly. Press OK. So it's asking to align the print head, so we can do right now so that print quality is always great. So it's going to print the alignment page. Paper output tray is here. Next step is to scan this page. Open the top lid. Place the page so it should be facing down like this on this corner, and then click on the scan icon on the display panel. Alignment is successful. Press OK. For the further setup, click on the question mark. Now click on the exit. On next page, it will ask you to skip HP software. Click on the exit. We can see our set date and time screen. You can just select the correct and click on the continue. For the updates, scroll up, go till end and then click on the next. For the future updates, you can select auto updates or you can select notify and click on the save. Press OK. Here is our main screen of the printer, and now we can connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Click on the menu, scroll down and look for the settings. Select network. So we are going to connect it with the home Wi-Fi network. Click on the Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi setup wizard. Click on the start. It's going to give a list of wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi. Click next to enter its password. On this screen, select this box. Enter the password using the keypad. Once you enter the password, click on the keypad icon and click on the submit. Confirm the settings and press OK. Printer is successfully connected. Press OK again and click on the home icon. Now our printer is connected to the home Wi-Fi network. Next step is to add this printer in a Windows laptop, MacBook or your smartphone. So let's connect it with your Windows laptop. I'm using Windows 11 laptop, and here you have to download the HP Smart app from the App Store. So you can just go to the Microsoft Office and download the HP Smart app. Once you download it, open this app. In the app we have to add this printer. So click on the add new printer. Select HP OfficeJet Pro 8130E printer and then click on the continue. It will ask you to join the home Wi-Fi. Make sure your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi as you are connected with the printer and click on the continue. Automatically it will connect it, so it may take few minutes. Go to the printer display panel and confirm for the printer to connect. Now complete the setup in your laptop. Click continue. Printer is connected with the Wi-Fi. You can select connected printing services, accept all. Scroll up and click on the continue. If you don't want to activate the HP Plus, you can select do not activate. You can decline it. Click continue. Now this is the offer where you get many benefits. So if you want to enroll to the HP Plus, you can do that, and you can also skip it. So skip account activation. Your new printer comes with the instant ink delivery. So if you want, you can just enable it, or you can just select do not enable ink delivery. Here you also get an option if you want to remind it now or later. Right now I'm just going to skip it. So make sure Inky's paper is installed, so that is correct. Now click on the continue setup. Again it will ask you for the updates. You can select automatic or notify. You can send link to other devices, and you can just download the HP Smart app, or you can skip it. Let's print the welcome page. Click on the print. Also on the main screen you will see your printer is showing up with the estimated level of ink. Our setup is complete and we have successfully installed printer in our Windows laptop. We have connected it with our home or office Wi-Fi network. We have also done the alignment. So printer is completely ready for wireless printing and scanning. If you want to start printing and scanning, you can start now. So that's the complete setup of the printer. Thanks for watching.